Hey everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super relevant, especially in our current world: natural antibiotics. You know, those powerful little wonders that nature has provided us to help combat infections and boost our immune systems without the side effects of conventional antibiotics. It's amazing how much nature has to offer, and I can't wait to share some of my favorite natural antibiotics that you should definitely know about. First up, let's talk about garlic. I mean, who doesn't love garlic? Not only does it add a punch of flavor to our meals, but it's also packed with health benefits. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is known for its antimicrobial properties. Studies have shown that garlic can help fight off bacteria, viruses, and even fungi. It's like a superhero for your immune system. You can easily incorporate garlic into your diet by adding it to soups, stir fries, or even just eating it raw if you're feeling adventurous. Just a word of caution: your breath might not be the freshest, but hey, it's worth it for your health. Next on the list is honey. Now, I'm sure you've heard about honey being a natural remedy for sore throats, but it's so much more than that. Honey has been used for centuries for its healing properties. It has natural antibacterial qualities and can help with wound healing. Manuka honey, in particular, is known for its powerful medicinal properties. It's often used to treat infections and boost the immune system. You can add honey to your tea, drizzle it on yogurt, or even use it as a natural sweetener in your recipes. Just remember to choose raw honey for the maximum benefits. Now let's move on to turmeric. This golden spice is not just for curries, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It's been shown to help combat various infections and even support gut health. You can add turmeric to your smoothies, sprinkle it on your roasted vegetables, or even make a delicious golden milk latte. It's like a warm hug in a cup. Plus, it gives your body a nice boost, fighting off those pesky bugs that tend to linger around. Next, we have ginger. Ginger is another fantastic natural antibiotic that can help with a variety of ailments. It's known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it a great ally in fighting off infections. Ginger can help soothe an upset stomach, reduce nausea, and even relieve sore throats. You can easily add fresh ginger to your teas, smoothies, or stir-fries. And if you're feeling under the weather, a nice ginger tea with honey and lemon can work wonders. It's like a cozy remedy that warms you from the inside out. Let's not forget about oregano. Yes, the herb that we often sprinkle on our pizzas is also a potent natural antibiotic. Oregano oil, in particular, is known for its antimicrobial properties. It contains compounds like carvacrol and thymol, which can help fight off bacteria and viruses. You can use oregano oil as a supplement or add dried oregano to your cooking for an extra health boost. Just a little sprinkle can go a long way in enhancing the flavor of your dishes while also providing some serious health benefits. Another natural antibiotic that deserves a mention is echinacea. This beautiful purple flower has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to boost the immune system. Echinacea is known for its ability to fight off colds and infections, making it a popular choice during flu season. You can find echinacea in various forms, such as teas, capsules, or tinctures. It's a great way to give your immune system a little extra support, especially when you feel a sniffle coming on. And how could I forget about cinnamon? This delightful spice is not only a staple in many desserts, but also has impressive antibacterial properties. Cinnamon contains compounds that can help fight off bacteria and fungi, making it a great addition to your diet. You can sprinkle cinnamon on your oatmeal, add it to your smoothies, or even mix it into your coffee for a delicious and health-boosting drink. It's a simple way to add flavor while also reaping the benefits of this amazing spice. Now, I know what you're thinking. These natural antibiotics sound great, but can they really replace conventional medicine? And that's a valid question. While these natural remedies can be incredibly effective for minor infections and boosting overall health, it's essential to remember that they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you're dealing with a severe infection or health issue, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. Natural antibiotics can complement your health regimen, but they shouldn't replace conventional treatments when necessary. Incorporating these natural antibiotics into your daily routine can be a fun and delicious way to support your health. It's all about balance, right? So, whether you're adding garlic to your dinners, sipping on ginger tea, or sweetening your yogurt with honey, you're taking proactive steps toward a healthier lifestyle. And let's be real, who doesn't want to feel their best? So there you have it, some fantastic natural antibiotics that you should know about. Remember, nature has provided us with so many incredible resources to help us stay healthy. By being mindful of what we eat and incorporating these natural remedies into our lives, we can take charge of our health in a more holistic way. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to share your favorite natural remedies in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Stay healthy, everyone.